I want to share my secret online income system with you, just to prove that anyone can make their first $1,000 with it. But if you want to make your first $1,000 and you want to do it risk-free by once again taking advantage of things that are already proven to work to make your first $1,000 online, is with viral products.
Now, how can you make money with viral products using your phone? All we have to do is find product videos that are going viral organically on TikTok, download those videos, re-upload them onto your own TikTok page, and link them to a Shopify store. The videos you'll be uploading are already proven to work and go viral, so the likelihood of them popping off on your own account is very high. TikTok is the best platform to do this because even if you start a new account with 0 followers, it will still show your videos to people, so it's super easy to grow. The most important step to succeed is finding videos that are currently going viral, not the ones that went viral a month or a year ago. So here's how you do that. First, start a brand new TikTok page, then open TikTok and search for TikTok made me buy it or Amazon finds. Then to find videos that are currently going viral, go to filters option, then under date posted you select this week, and under sort by you select relevance. After that, you study the results you get. You're gonna see a lot of product videos, but when you see ones with a ton of views and likes, make sure you like and follow them to train your algorithm to show you successful product videos on your recommended page. After liking a couple dozen product videos, all you're gonna see on your feed are more and more products. Then all you have to do is save the TikToks you like the most, download those videos and re-upload them onto your own account. Then you just create a simple Shopify store even with your phone and add all those products to your store. So after that, you just have to find a supplier on websites like AliExpress, Alibaba or CJ Dropshipping to source the products from. These platforms ship products directly from the suppliers to your customers, so you don't buy any stock at all. There's hundreds of videos on YouTube on how to create a Shopify store and source products from suppliers.
You just need a few of your videos going viral to make $1,000 with this. So they're the perfect model to make your first $1,000.
When you make your first couple $1,000s and get enough skills and experience, you could scale your business to $10,000, $50,000, $100,000 a year or even per month by investing into ads, getting inventory for your products, etc. But there's some risk involved into that. So the other non-risky ways to make your first $1,000 online are in this video.